what's really going on about Sheetz Gas Prices Drop. Sheetz, Incorporated, which operates a chain of convenience stores and coffee shops across the United States, is wholly owned and operated by the Sheetz family. Since the 1980s, every single one of the facilities has offered around-the-clock service and has sold personalized snacks, beverages, and other items that are often available in convenience stores. The vast majority of them sell gasoline, and a few of them are full-service truck stops that also include showers and a laundry facility in addition to selling gasoline. The headquarters and corporate offices of Sheetz are located in Altoona, Pennsylvania, which is also the location of the company's headquarters. Sheetz currently has over 700 stores in the states of Pennsylvania, Central and Western, West Virginia, Maryland, Ohio, Virginia, and North Carolina. The company has future expansion plans that include entering the market in Michigan, and these plans call for the company to continue growing. Sheetz is going to try something for the 4th of July celebration that has the potential to completely change the game. The price of E85, flex fuel, ethanol-free, E0, gasoline, unleaded 88, mid-grade, and premium fuel grades are going down to $1.776, which, if you haven't studied history in a while, is a reference to the year that the Declaration of Independence was signed. Sheetz is cutting the price of all of these classes of fuel. On July 4, 2017, at 12 minutes to 1 of the night, the price reduction will get underway. Diesel fuel is not eligible for the discount that the company provides for other fuels. In addition to that, try not to worry. The deal will now be available at all of Sheetz's more than 675 sites across the states of Pennsylvania, Maryland, Ohio, North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia. If you want to take advantage of this offer, you will need to show up on Tuesday. The discount will only be available on July 4th, which is the day when the official celebration for celebrating independence is observed. Sheetz is a family-owned and operated company, and we are always looking for ways to assist the communities and customers that we serve, stated Travis Sheetz, president and CEO of Sheetz, in a news release released by the firm. The statement was made in the context of the company. Sheetz is a business that is run by members of the Sheetz family. We hope that this discount will help our customers keep a little more change in their wallets as they travel to celebrate the 4th of July with friends and family, is what we stated when we announced the sale, making an obvious reference to the fact that July 4th is the birthday of our nation. As part of their celebration of Independence Day, Sheetz convenience stores intend to lower the prices of nearly all of their gasoline blends. This is in recognition of the year 1776, which was the year in which the Declaration of Independence was originally enacted in our country. In the past, Sheetz has offered price reductions for certain types of gasoline blends. On the other hand, the price of each grade of fuel, including ordinary, E85, flex fuel, unleaded 88, mid-grade, and premium, will drop to $1.776 per gallon beginning on July 4th. This change will take effect nationwide. Diesel fuel is not subject to this restriction in any way. According to Sheetz, the one-day only limited time deal will only be accessible on July 4th beginning at 12:01 a.m. and lasting throughout the day, or for as long as promotional gallons were still available. In October 2013, Stan Sheetz was promoted to the position of chairman of the board for Sheetz, while his cousin Joseph S. Joe Sheetz was given the role of president and chief executive officer. Made to order, The Sheetz Story, which was written by Kenneth Womack and released in November 2013, follows the history of the Sheetz Corporation from its beginnings as a dairy store up to the present day. Burlington, North Carolina served as the location for Sheetz's second distribution center and culinary facility, which both opened in 2014. The sum of all sales throughout the 2018-2019 fiscal year was $7.5 billion. Sheetz currently has over 600 stores in Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, and North Carolina and has over 21,000 employees. The company has aspirations to expand even further and currently employs over 21,000 people. Every Sheetz location is owned and managed by the Sheetz Corporation. The company does not intend to engage in the sale of franchises. Sheetz is the most successful convenience store chain in most of Pennsylvania. It holds a virtual monopoly in Altoona, even though Rutter's moved into the Altoona area in 2017. Rutter's now has 3 locations in Blair County. Sheetz also has a commanding share in Pittsburgh, where it competes with 7-Eleven/Speedway, Get-Go, the locally based cone markets, and to a much lesser extent Circle K, and Harrisburg, where when the price cut is implemented, it will be honored at all 675-plus Sheetz locations in the states of Pennsylvania, Maryland, Ohio, North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia. Sheetz implemented a strategy quite similar to this one in 2022 when they lowered the prices of 2 of their blends for the 4th of July holiday, so that they were more than $1 lower than the average price across the country. The company, which is based in Pennsylvania, has continued the practice during travel-heavy holidays, such as the most recent Thanksgiving holiday, when it lowered the price of various mixes to $1.99 per gallon to attract more customers. The American Automobile Association, AAA, reported that the nationwide average price of a gallon of gasoline on June 3 was $3.53. This is 3 cents to 30 cents higher than the average price of gas in the other states where Sheetz has outlets, but it is 10 cents cheaper than the price of petrol in Pennsylvania, where the Sheetz location is located, where it is 10 cents cheaper. The Sheetz locations that sell gasoline typically stock all 3 octane ratings, 87, 89, and 93, and supply diesel fuel at the majority of their locations. The number of outlets that sell E85 and E15 is growing, and some of these businesses also sell gasoline that is free of ethanol. Certain stores have kerosene available at different pumps. Sheetz is well known for having large sales of fuel, which are mostly supported by robust interior sales generated by their MTOs and other products that lead to purchases at the pumps. Sheetz is the market leader in all gasoline sales in Pennsylvania, with over 21% of the market share. This puts Sheetz ahead of all other competitor convenience store chains, including those selling fuel from big oil brands such as Exxon, Sunoco, and BP, which all have a significant presence in Pennsylvania alongside Sheetz. Sheetz is noted for its large sales of tobacco goods in addition to its high sales of fuel, and it frequently sells cigarettes at rates that are lower than the state minimum. Once upon a time, Sheetz sold its very own brand of cigarettes known as Jacks. These cigarettes were named and modeled after a certain suit of playing cards, but the company discontinued selling them in their stores in the 2010s. This price is good for the majority of fuel that is offered at Sheetz, including both regular and premium grades of gasoline, and it will be available all day long, or until promotional stockpiles have been depleted, whichever comes first. Diesel fuel and gasoline that does not contain ethanol are excluded from the promotion. We hope that this discount helps our customers keep a little more change in their wallets as they travel to celebrate the 4th of July with friends and family, Travis Sheetz, CEO of Sheetz, said in a statement. This discount is an obvious homage to the fact that July 4th is the birthday of our nation. According to data provided by the United States Energy Information Administration, the national average price of gasoline hasn't been this low since December 2008. This contrasts with the periodic discounts that have been offered. A total of over 675 Sheetz locations across the states of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, Ohio, and North Carolina are eligible for the discount. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.